equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Start by gathering your tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a microfiber cloth. First, power off your Asus S5507QA and remove the battery. Next, unscrew the bezel screws, typically located around the edges. Keep these screws safe, you'll need them later. Carefully use the prying tool to detach the bezel from the LCD cover. Take your time to avoid damaging the clips. Once the bezel is off, you can see the LCD screen. Disconnect the screen cable gently. Now, remove the screws holding the LCD in place. Clean the internal area with a microfiber cloth to remove any dust. Inspect for any damage while you're inside. Replace the old screen with a new one, ensuring the cable is securely connected. Reattach the bezel, securing it with the screws you saved. Finally, reinsert the battery and power on your device. For a hassle-free experience, remember, professional diagnosis without obligation, pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, and quote before repair. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.